Imagine you're standing in your living room. The back screen door is open, and that's the only thing separating you from a gorgeous day. Your grill is heating up, your guests are becoming hungry. This is the first time you've invited your coworker and his family over for dinner, so everyone is truly excited. His wife is talking with your wife. They're having a great conversation. Their family has children that are running around having a blast with your dog. Then it happens. Out of nowhere, your dog lunges and bites the girl on the nose. Blood is flowing from the daughter's nose as heavily as tears are flowing from the mother's eyes. Everything is chaotic. Then finally, they rush off to the hospital. After hours of stress and heartache, you learn that the daughter is okay and has only received a few stitches on her face. Now that you know the daughter and family are okay, you can only wonder what's going to happen to you financially and legally. Today, I will show you why everyone must have renter's insurance, how it may financially hurt you if you don't have it, and how it relieves stress from you and your family in the event of an accident. Let's begin with why everybody absolutely must have renter's insurance. 1/3 of American households are now renting. That number is likely to rise due to changing demographics and housing preferences, says the National Multi-Housing Council. With this projected increase as renters, we need to be provided with a blanket of safety in our homes. Have you ever watched the news and seen how fast a fire can actually spread? Just because the fire didn't start in your living room doesn't mean it's impossible for the flames to creep under your doorway. Have you ever been worried about a hurricane or tornado causing damage, decimating your house, your apartment, and your belongings? An example of this would be Hurricane Katrina or Hurricane Isaac. The Insurance Information Institute states wind damage from both tropical storms and hurricanes is covered under standard homeowners insurance and renter's insurance. This includes damage to both personal possessions and structural damage. If 97% of homeowners have insurance, why do only 29% of renters have renter's insurance? How are renters even protected at this rate? Why do so many homeowners have renter's insurance and so few renters provide their family with renter's insurance? I believe it's due to a lack of education. With renter's insurance, you are covered just like a homeowner, so you can sleep sound at night knowing that you're insured. Some things are just out of our control. Be smart and prepare for the worst. Renter's insurance is preparing for the worst and can be accomplished with a simple phone call. Most banks provide renter's insurance, and you can even go to your local insurance agency and they'll be able to provide you with renter's insurance. Well, now that you know why you absolutely must have renter's insurance, let's go over how it's more expensive to not have it. We all worry about finances at some point in our lives. We need to plan ahead in order to protect our wallets and our bank accounts. Not everyone has a plethora of money saved up in their savings accounts. If you're like me, with a wife, with a child, with a dog, you may be on a pretty strict budget. Are you able to replace furniture at the drop of a dime due to damages that are beyond your control? An example of this would be a drunk driver crashing through your wall, damaging your property. Not only will you need to refurnish your home, you'll need shelter. You're going to need a place to stay, possibly a hotel, something along those lines. Now, you may think the driver will pay, but when? How long will it take for that driver to pay? Renter's insurance will cover you a lot faster than that driver. The renter's insurance company, they're dependable. They will replace your items in a timely manner. Renter's insurance is affordable even for those who are on a strict budget, such as myself. Now that you understand how it will benefit your family financially, I will tell you how having renter's insurance will relieve stress from you and your family in the event an accident actually happens. And accidents happen. That's why we call them accidents in the first place. Allow the insurance company to fight the battle for you so you can concentrate on your family and you can concentrate on the victims of the accident. Earlier I spoke about a dog biting a girl causing stitches in an upset family. This story tugs at me on a very personal level because I was the owner of that dog. I know firsthand the stress, guilt, and feeling of pain a situation like that can put on you and your family. If you don't have renter's insurance and your pet bites someone, you will have to pay for that out of pocket. This can cause major stress on you and your family. By having renter's insurance, you are covered in the event something happens and someone tries to sue you. Hospital bills will be covered for the victim, and when there's no stress over finances, it's a lot easier to concentrate on the victims and concentrate on your family. And now that you understand why having renter's insurance is so important, let's go over what we talked about today. Today I covered why you absolutely must have renter's insurance. With all that can happen in life, you can lay comfortably at night knowing that you are protected and taken care of in the event of an accident. So, let's forget about the storm, unboard our windows, sleep in comfort tonight, safe and insured. Renter's insurance is key for shielding your household from unexpected dangers and damages. Thank you very much for listening today. Stay protected and have a safe drive home. Thank you very much.